Hey guys, it's me and Glam Goat. Glam. And the little pink princess dragon. Hello, hello. We're going to look at the new Allure box today. All right, you guys go on. Yes, we have our January Allure, and last month it was outstanding. It was our first box, and I only paid $10 for it. So this month it's $15. This comes in a really nice, sturdy box, and you know, it just has a really nice lid on. I'll tell you what, I'm having a hard time throwing away this box because it's a nice box. I'm sure I'm going to find some kind of a use for this box. Okay, the third eye. Woo! So, here's our little Allure. I have no idea who that is. I'm sure it says on here, and you know, maybe in another month when I can actually see. Oh, look it. This isn't like, it says 2020 vision. Yeah, 2020 is going to be my year for vision, for actual being able to see kind of vision. So, I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of these already, and I'm not going to bother with like prices and all that. We're just going to, got some red paper this time. We're going to get in here. She's a little bit skincare heavy this time. Let's start out with, we have a Shine Oil Mist from, Perfect Shine Oil Mist from, okay, I might have to get into the book because, yeah, you know, I cannot wait. I'm working on a hair oil right now, and I really didn't think that I would like a hair oil because I thought it would make my hair like oily, you know, but I gotta tell you, that whole hair oil thing, is this it? No. It, really, okay, I know there's, plus we got like 6 products in the box this month, which I thought was pretty good. All right. This is Natural Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist by Natural Lab. That is the brand. So, you know, it's a definite. It's still sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I'm working on one right now. But, you know, it's a definite deluxe sample size. But let me tell you what, these things are like 1 or 2 sprays will do for like my hair. I mean, I spray it in my hand and then just, you know, go all over. If it takes more than 1 or 2 sprays, then it's not very good. So, but you know, I'm excited about getting that. Okay, so we got 1, 2. This is one of our full-size products. We have a car, and this is a lip treatment product. I actually already have, I'm almost done with my morning one, and I'm fixing to switch that to the QMS, I think it is. And then I have another one at night that I just started on. So, yeah, we will be putting this up, but there's what she looks like. Kind of interesting. It's not a sweet smell. It's almost like a bread smell. That's interesting. From a car, I've never heard of them before, but you know, that's okay. There's a lot of things I never heard of before. So yeah, we'll definitely I don't know if we'll hang on to that or put it in a giveaway because I have so much that if I hang on to it, it'll be like really, really long time. Okay, what did I do with the third eye? There she is. Okay. This is upside down. Yes? No? Vitabrid C Dual Drop Serum helps skin look firmer, brighter, and hydrated. So Dermabrid, I guess, is the name of the brand. Serums, you know what? Serums are... Okay, that's going to have to live in the thing because vitamin C does not like light. But serums are really good for dry skin. So let's just take a little teensy bit right there. Woo! And that little teensy bit goes a long, long ways. No scent. What I just do with the box. Back in the box with you. So that's cool. This was really skincare heavy this month. We have like Hope in a Bottle, I think is the name of this. And it's a moisturizer. It's a water cream from Philosophy. Let's see if it is... You know, I've tried some... Wow. Yeah, she sealed up pretty good, so I'm not going to open it. I've tried a few products from Philosophy, and I wasn't really impressed. I haven't tried a water cream, though, and I do like water cream, so we may have to give that one a shot. Okay, and this is the Kate Exfoliate. I was a little bit bummed because, you know, dry skin, I'm very leery of exfoliators. But I think her name is Rachel M. I could be totally mistaken. I was watching her channel, and she's actually... Which side is right side up? Here we go. She's actually a doctor. So, you know, she knows, like, she has access to the research. And she has dry skin. And she said that she used this sparingly and that it really helped with some of the problems on her skin. So, I'm going to hang on to this and I'm going to do something with it. And this is way cool. We got the Lights, Camera, Lashes from Tarte. You know what? Mascara. I don't wear mascara every day because I am older and mascara tends to like pull my lashes, and then I end up with fewer lashes. So I don't wear mascara a lot, mostly for filming or if I'm going out somewhere. A lot of times I just use eyeliner because, you know, it kind of gives the appearance that you've got, you know, a little bit of mascara on. This is sealed up tight as a button now. It's in like a plastic container type thing. So we're not going to unseal this. Talk about keeping her fresh. I have, I don't know, 6 maybe full-size mascaras that are still waiting to be used, and none of them are in a really nice tube. I'll tell you what, that will add some shelf life. So, $15. Let's take a look at what we got here. We got a really nice full-size mascara, and, you know, I used to be kind of anti-mascara, but I haven't received a mascara in a while, so I'm not going to whine about it because, you know, I've actually been mascara friendly for a while. You know? We got a lip product. Lip products must be like the trend this year because I've been getting these, you know, well, not this box, but other boxes for a long time. And this year I have received 2 lip masks, a lip corrector. I mean, we're talking like in the last 2 or 3 months. Lip balms, I mean, just, yeah. So, real lip heavy this year. We got the oil mist for your hair. I'm excited about that. I am. I mean, I've got the big one at work, but maybe I'll take this one, and since it's a deluxe size, and I'll just try this one first. This one is pretty watery. I don't know if you can see it in there. Like the one I have at work, hear that? The one I have at work is like oily. It's a little thicker, you know, so the Vita-C, Vita-Brid. Anyways, it's a serum and it's got vitamin C, you know, I mean, yeah. Have to be careful to keep it in the container. Anytime you get something that's vitamin C, if it's in a clear container, like, really, guys, what are you doing? But from what I understand, the vitamin C that's in this is a good vitamin C. You just have to make sure that you don't keep it where it's like, don't take it out of the box and just leave it. You know, get your drops and then put it back in the box. Don't leave it out of the box for any longer than absolutely necessary, because it really needs to stay out of the light in order for the vitamin C to remain, I'm not sure what the word is I'm looking for, active? Potent? There? Y'all know what I mean. And we got the Philosophy water cream. Not crazy about Philosophy, but I do like a water cream, so not mad at that either. That's 6 products. 2 of them are full size for $15. Granted, I'd like to see a little bit more makeup, but you know what? Last month was really an outstanding box with all of the Anastasia Beverly Hills products in it, so I can't really complain. And from what I've seen with this box, you'll have 2, maybe 3 months that, you know, it's kind of like this. It's nothing like really stupendous, and then all of a sudden 1 month you'll have, like last month was, and it'll be just awesome, you know, like it'll be out of the ballpark awesome. I know it has been $10 the first month when you join. However, I've noticed on some of the the email, and, well, not the email, but what am I getting this on? Oh, Instagram. It's not saying join for $10 anymore. It's saying join for $15. So I don't want to tell you that you can join for $10 the first month, because I'm not really certain. But if you can, do it. And even if you can't, it's well worth the $15. It truly is. I would rather have this than the regular Ipsy Glam bag, I believe. You know, I mean, after looking at some of the things, I skipped Glam bag again for February because, you know, I went in and looked at some of the things that they had, and I was like, there's nothing in it. Nothing. Like, nothing. So, yeah, you know, what you gonna do? Subscribe to the channel. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you come along on our makeup journey and skin journey. We do some unboxings, some tutorials. I don't have a lot of money, so I don't go out and buy all of the latest releases, but today I am wearing Toddy Beauty. I do try to get some of them because I do enjoy some bougie makeup. But, you know, I have to save up my dollars. I can't do that every month. I have to really save up to do that. I'm not sure when this video is going to be going up because our Beautylish Lucky Bag, the regular size, should be coming in. So hopefully that will go up soon. Because I'll tell you what, I'm going to video that just as soon as it gets here. You know I can't wait to open that. It's my first time. Woo! Like us. Hey, hey, listen to the goat. The Glam Goat. Like the channel. Hit that thumbs up or, you know, the thumbs down or however it works for you. Please join us. I love you guys. I love watching you guys. We're really working. Like, I just got called back into work. So I'm trying to whip through this video and I got to get back on my bike, run back to work, feed horses, blanket horses, put horses out. Yeah, this is my afternoon off. And then, you know, bicycle back home again. So, yeah. What up? But anyways, work has been killing me, so I haven't had a lot of time. I have read all of your comments. I just don't always have the time to grab, where's she at? The third eye and, you know, do the comment thing. It's really tough with this. Life is going to be so much simpler when I can see again. The 21st of next month is my surgery for the left eye, which is my worst one. And, you know, the surgeon said it's going to make a huge difference in your eyesight. So I'm really, I'm excited. I'm nervous. I've never surgery before, nothing like that. The only time I've ever been in the hospital was when I gave birth to my child like 40 years ago. So, yeah. Guess that's about it though, guys. So until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing, boom, boom, wake up dancing, boom, 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 wake up dancing every single day. Bye-bye.